Okay guys, in the last few months, this faceless YouTube channel has earned over $15,000 from uploading these simple 1-minute kids moral videos. And if we take a closer look, it was literally started like 3 months ago and has got over 1.1 million views, which is just insane. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your own YouTube automation channel using this method. And I know what you are probably thinking, guys. There are already a few faceless video tutorials out on YouTube. Well, you see, the problem is all of these gurus are not transparent with you, and nobody shows you real step-by-step ways on how to create your first YouTube business and the problems you will face along the ways, like getting it monetized faster, etc. Instead, these clowns are just focused on their own views. If you have the patience to watch this video until the end, you will have all the knowledge needed to start your own YouTube automation business. You are literally going to be a YouTube automation expert. To show you the proof, here's a quick clip of the video I was able to create in 15 minutes. People usually pay thousands of dollars for this information by buying courses, but I will give it to you for free, so make sure you listen. I will add a Google Doc in the description with the step-by-step blueprint that you can follow along. The number one reason why people fail is because of inconsistency, because literally there are so many AI tools out there in the market, which makes this process overwhelming, confusing, and time-consuming. Even with the free ones, they are very limited on how many videos I can create. Even if I create some videos, they come up with a huge watermark which doesn't give my videos a professional look. But I have found the best alternative and powerful AI tool for you guys called VideoExpress. One of the main reasons I am using this tool is because it literally replaced all the text-to-speech softwares, image generators, AI video generation software, and video editing platforms into one. And the best part, I don't have to pay any monthly fees for it. I can create as many videos as I want without the learning curve and in record speed. Alright, so the process to create your first video involves 3 steps. Number 1, coming up with viral story script. Number 2, creating characters. Number 3, generating the scenes with each character dialogues. So let's start. We will be using free AI tool called Mistral AI to generate stories for us. Go to Google Doc and click the top link to go to the website. Then copy the prompt to generate your viral story. Second step, copy this character prompt to generate the character design in detail, like this. Finally, copy your entire story and add this prompt to it, so what it will do is design those characters in different scenes with their dialogues. Now you are all set to go. Log into VideoExpress and go to Talking Photos. Make sure you choose this vertical option to create shorts, then choose Image Type 3D. Then paste the character prompt you have created. Let it generate the character like you want. Repeat the same process with another character. Now follow the other prompts to generate these characters in different scenes like this. It's time to make our characters speak and animate, so you have to copy their dialogue from each scene. I have multiple options. Either I can use their natural sounding text-to-speech feature, or I can record my own voice or import any audio I want, like my music trucks, etc. Also, I can create videos in any language I want. Once you like the voice, hit import speed and click on create talking videos. Finally, it takes a few seconds to get the video generated. You will find all your videos inside my AI videos tab. Then I can combine all these clips together like this to create a full-length video just like this. Once you combine all your clips, just click on export in full HD and voila, in a few minutes you have your final video ready. But as I promised you guys, I will be transparent with you, so let's talk about the problems which I faced. They didn't have the ability to create speaking or singing videos back then when I purchased it, but because their lifetime deal comes with free future upgrades. So I got that after a few weeks of purchasing it as their team worked on it. So yeah guys, they have an ongoing roadmap of features from the community request which they keep adding to make this software the best in the market, and you get all that for absolutely free upgrade if you get the lifetime deal. Secondly, when I am using it, I still face some issues with consistency in characters, but don't you worry about that. I have cracked some techniques to get consistency in characters, and I have put together my first bonus for you, which is Consistent Character Prompt Guide. So if you decide to get this deal, you can go to the link mentioned in the description, and at the end of this video, I will show you how to avail all the bonuses. Finally, there's no step-by-step guidance on how to actually succeed with this app in record speed, but you don't have to worry about that anymore as well, because from the successful case studies from other members, I have put together the bonus number 2, Faceless YouTube Automation course that shows you step-by-step from scratch on how to go viral with faceless videos you create from VideoExpress, and also create monetizable YouTube videos in record speed. Members who have gone through that course are getting results like this. Jackus, who recently started his faceless YouTube channel and already got more than 3,000 views in less than a day, and says my views are consistently growing every hour. Another user who has started his Spanish YouTube channel and already got more than 10,000 views in less than a week as a beginner. So to sum it all up, if you want to create professional animated videos and don't want to spend hefty monthly fees without compromising quality, then this is a steal deal for you guys if their lifetime deal is still available. Because for just a low one-time price, you can create as many videos as you want, and you never have to pick up a camera or use any fancy editing softwares. To check if the lifetime deal is still available, go to the website mentioned in the description. And if you decide to get in, you will also get my exclusive bonuses for absolutely free: consistent character prompt templates, faceless YouTube automation course, untapped AI niches list, and real-life successful YouTube channels case study. Simply email to support@VideoExpress.ai, mention bonus from Aria in the subject line, and they will give you instant access to the bonuses. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't want to miss any future videos, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.